Tell us what you got for Christmas.
I got roller skates and tennis court and what did I got?
Tennis racket. Let me see your tennis racket, please.
Yeah, and a tennis racket and this bag.
Oh, wow. Fabulous. Boy, what'd you get?
And this car. Oh, no, this is a
scooter.
Car.
Can I see your scooter? That is a pretty cool scooter.
Bobby, talk. And I got this card.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I got this card. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Right. How about the baby? What did the baby get?
Merry Christmas.
Wow.
And we
Nice.
got all this. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Wow.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
And we got tennis rackets. And
And here's my
tennis ball holder.
And this is my tennis racket.
Cool.
Merry Christmas. I forgot my Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell.
And that one.
In the bottle.
Yeah, and I got this little activity book. This activity book.
Wow.
Again, to go. I want to use my activity book now. Blue game.
Oh, and we got one Xbox game.
What Xbox game? Army?
Yeah.
Where? You want bird or butterfly? Bird.
Okay. Merry Christmas.